2015 Honda Fit. The problem I'm having is when the engine is cold, especially in the morning, and when I start it, it rattles. Yes, it rattles. And it only does it when the engine is cold. For example, if I go ahead and turn it on, it does that. But if I turn off the engine and then restart it, it doesn't do it. Let me go ahead and show you what I mean. All right, go in, and voila, it's keyless. Okay. Did y'all hear that? Now I'm going to turn it off. Gonna turn it back on. See, it didn't do it the second time. If you know what's going on, please let me know. Thanks.